welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is fine and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to relocate, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For the link and the description box. This property will be us If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.